Today we're looking at 11 real estate exam questions on trust. Hope you do well. If you like this content, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you've been studying for your real estate exam, it's really important to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button. It's free. That way, anytime we release a new video, you'll be notified and you can do better on your exam. Also, it helps us get our content out there so more people pass their exam. So here we go, 11 real estate exam questions on trust. In a land trust, who holds legal title to the property? A. Trustor, B. Beneficiary, C. Trustee, D. Settlor. C. Trustee. In a land trust, the legal title to the property is held by the trustee. What is the primary advantage of using a land trust for real estate ownership? A. Unlimited liability protection. B. Enhanced privacy for the property owner. C. Tax-exempt status for the trust. D. Increased property appreciation. B. Enhanced privacy for the property owner. Land trusts provide enhanced privacy for property owners as the beneficiary's identity may remain confidential. In a revocable living trust, who has the power to make changes or terminate the trust during their lifetime? A. Trustee, B. Settlor, C. Beneficiary, D. Executor. Settlor. The settlor, also known as the grantor of a revocable living trust, has the power to make changes or terminate the trust during their lifetime. What type of trust is designed to minimize estate taxes by removing assets from an individual's taxable estate? A. Living trust, B. Irrevocable trust, C. Testamentary trust, D. Land trust. B. Irrevocable trust. Irrevocable trusts are often used to minimize estate taxes by removing assets from an individual's taxable estate. What is the primary characteristic of a testamentary trust? A. Created during the settlor's lifetime. B. Irrevocable in nature. C. Takes effect upon the settlor's death. D. Requires multiple trustees. C. Takes effect upon the settlor's death. The testamentary trust is created in a will and takes effect upon the settlor's death. Before we move on, help us out on YouTube by subscribing to our channel. It is completely free to subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss our new videos. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks. What is the role of the successor trustee in a living trust? A. Administer the trust after the settlor's death or incapacity. B. Manage the trust assets during the settlor's lifetime. C. Make changes to the trust document at any time. D. Act as a co-trustee with the settlor. Administer the trust after the settlor's death or incapacity. The successor trustee takes over the administration of the trust after the settlor's death or incapacity. In a land trust, what role does the beneficiary typically play? A. Holds legal title to the property. B. Manages the trust assets. C. Receives income and benefits from the trust. D. Administers the trust after the settlor's death. Receives income and benefits from the trust. The beneficiary of the land trust typically receives income and benefits from the trust. What is the purpose of a qualified personal residence trust? A. Provide income to the grantor during their lifetime. B. Transfer the grantor's primary residence to heirs with tax advantages. C. Allow the grantor to maintain control over trust assets. D. Create charitable remainder upon the grantor's death. B. Transfer the grantor's primary residence to heirs with tax advantages. A QPRT is designed to transfer the grantor's primary residence to heirs with tax advantages. In a living trust, what term is used to describe the individual who manages the trust assets during the settlor's lifetime? A. Executor. B. Trustee. C. Beneficiary. D. Settlor. B. Trustee. The trustee of a living trust manages the trust assets during the settlor's lifetime. In a living trust, what is the purpose of the pour-over will? A. To distribute assets directly to beneficiaries. B. To revoke the trust during the settlor's lifetime. C. To appoint a guardian for minor children. D. To transfer any remaining assets into the trust upon the settlor's death. D. Transfer any remaining assets into the trust upon the settlor's death. The pour-over will is used to transfer any remaining assets into the living trust upon the settlor's death. What distinguishes a blind trust from other trusts? A. It is managed by a corporate trustee. B. It is irrevocable in nature. C. The beneficiary is unaware of the trust assets and transactions. D. It requires court approval for any changes. C. The beneficiary is unaware of the trust assets and transactions. In a blind trust, the beneficiary is unaware of the trust assets and transactions to avoid conflicts of interest. So I hope you did well on this exam. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. We'd appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. And once again, please subscribe and hit the notification button. It really helps us out. Also, check out our channel. We have lots of videos on real estate exam questions. It'll help you pass. Good luck. Have a great day.